Hey, Bruce Naylor here, your boomer consumer. I've got a very interesting product to show you today. It's the Hydragun Sports Therapy Massager. As a disclaimer, this was sent to me at no cost. However, all opinions are my own, and no one's reviewed the video prior to posting. If you are interested in one for yourself, I have the Hydragun link in the description below, and they are offering a $50 discount to the viewers of my channel. So there, we'll get that out of the way. So the idea for Hydragun is a sports recovery tool to help with massage those aching, sore muscles that we all get from working out. Now, I'm admittedly not an athlete, but I do use a treadmill quite a bit and I do a lot of cardio. And I have sciatic nerve pain that can keep me from getting a good night's sleep because it can hurt so bad. Well, I've been using this product for about a week now, and it has really improved the pain that I suffer in my lower back and my hip. And it just takes a couple minutes per session, and it really massages that pain away. It's almost like visiting a massage therapist, 90-minute massage in less than 2 minutes. Very, very nice. This is the product box that it comes in. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Now, I will admit that I did not get quite everything put back the way when it ships, but I did the best I could. See, it comes in a nice case. We're going to go ahead and take it out. Opening the box here, you see you're about to find out what it's like to hold the future in your hands. Put a lot of care. Make sure that everything about the Hydragun looks and feels great, the design, packaging, and so on. Take your time and soak in the Hydragun experience. Don't forget to recycle the box when you're done with it. And thank you, and welcome to the Recovery Revolution. Very, very nice little touch indeed. So, this is the case that it comes in. And we're going to open this up and kind of take you through the attachments and the Hydragun itself. And inside the case, you're going to get this quick start guide. Follow it and read it because there's some very important safety tips involved with using this. For example, start with the lowest setting. Yes. And by the way, the lowest setting on this thing works great for me. Avoid bone. Start with larger muscle groups. Keep it moving. You don't want to use this on the same spot too long because then it can actually get painful. So you don't want to do that. Less is more. And 1 to 2 minutes in a spot is a real good idea. In fact, it's designed with a smart circuit that if you're continuously using it in the same area for, I think 10 minutes, it will shut itself off and as a safety measure. So we'll put that off to the side. This is the Hydragun itself. Weighs about 2.3 pounds. It has a 2600 milliamp hour battery. And so you get about 6 hours total battery life between charges on here. This is where you turn it off and on and set the speeds. It will work up to 3,200 RPM. So you don't want to start anywhere near that powerful. And your attachments very easily go right in here. As far as attachments go, comes with 2 of the ball attachments. And those are going to be good for your glutes, your quads, your calves, your lats. That's what these are for. Now, your 2 flats on here, those are going to be for really sore muscles, larger areas for increased blood flow. This is the one that I used for my sciatic nerve right here. Then you get this Y adapter right on here, this fork. That's for your medium muscle groups, your forearms, your calves, your shoulders. So use it on that. Then this bullet attachment on here, that's for inner joints, your feet. I don't know. I can't wait to try that one. I haven't tried that one yet. You also get the charging brick right here. Now you'll notice that this is the UK design, but they have a universal adapter on here that you can use to charge it up here in the US. All that is included in this very nice case. Using it couldn't be simpler. Pick up your attachment. We'll use this one, for example. You simply push it into the gun. There you go. press and hold the power button, and 3 LED lights will come on. Press again. And you can see it's starting on its lowest setting. That works good enough for me. But as you press the button again, it gets a little quicker, faster, faster, all the way up to 3,200 RPM. You can hear how loud it is. Maximum noise is 50 dB on here. Normally it's going to be about 30. At the lowest setting, it's very quiet. Turn it off, you just press and hold the button, and then it will go off. Up here would be for torque. Not had the opportunity to activate those yet. When you're done, just remove the attachment, put it back into its case, and you are all done. 90-minute massage in 2 minutes or less. High quality material. Comes with backed by a 18-month warranty. So you have that. This is a product that I have personally used. I can endorse. It is extremely high quality. As I understand it, the company actually donates one of these a month to an athlete that might be in need of something like this but can't afford it. They donate them. Very, very interesting product. Not typically the kind of technology but I review, but pain is universal to a lot of us, and including people that are into tech, gamers and so forth. Get the pain away with the Hydragun Sports Therapy Massager. Bruce Naylor, your Boomer Consumer. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.